an 879. 138 on the engine ice, engine coolant, 95 on the intake. Density altitude's up to 3,200 right now. So it's up just at 200 more than it was earlier. It's been one heck of a weekend, thanks to Engine Ice, Lucas Oil, Slick Products, Team SGR, Wix Racing, GoPuck, GoPro, the wives. $879. Run your race. Broke out with an 878 with a 9. Oh, so close. 1,000th of a second we were on the brakes. Oh my. Had to be another 203 with a 460 foot. Thank you. 123 on the light, a 202 with the 9, there it is. 572 with the 6, 878 with the 9, 78.79. He was 500ths off his dial, he went at 019. God. Man, that's just how racing goes sometimes. But you know what? The more you do it, the better you know your vehicle with the right products, with Engine Ice, Lucas Oil, Thompson Motorsports, and Advanced Modern Performance Tuning from Sam Miller, Circle D converters, Extreme Automatics with a bad to the bone 4L70 with all the billet parts in it. You know what? This is a daily driver. Mama drives it every day. You know what? You can't beat that. I'd like to thank everybody for being there for us for this 3 days. It means a lot to us. From all of us at Team SGR Scooters Garage.